Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Welcome back to my channel.
I'm Jordan, and today for this week's video, I'll be doing a video of what girls do when they have to clean their room. Shows the truth behind it and why we take so long at it. So, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Home from school, time to get my homework done. Where am I gonna do my homework? My whole desk is a mess. Well, I don't. Actually, my whole room is a mess. I could get this clean. I should clean it. That should be something I should do. Yeah, I should clean it. So we're gonna start with the desk. Ew. It's like from a few days ago. I'm surprised the milk didn't turn to some cheese. Here we go. Things back on my desk. And I can put this back in the phone. That's not too bad. Oh, candies. When did I open it? Not sticky. Didn't lick it. Whoa, 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 like crazy, like crazy. Hello, I'm Deer. Hi, I'm Kitten. Now for the slime cart, these two, back over a little, and oh, this is an old slime. I haven't played with this in a while. Ooh, so buttery, so glossy. That good. That's probably why I stopped playing with it. It's like, what is this one? Cloud slime? Ooh. Very banana. What's this one? Oh, I remember this. Ooh. With this emoji. Where did it all even come from? I think that's Monday's outfit. Floor is lava. Ooh, this one. 3, 2, oh, oh, ha. Oh my god. 1, 2. What? Well, I died. Why did I even buy so many pillows? Get off. Aw, I like this one. This one can stay. I like flip sequins at night. I can keep this one up here too. Now that I think about it, I kind of want those two. I might not have anywhere to sleep, but they're pretty cute. I can keep them. Oh, okay. I can live with it. Now I have to put my shoes back and organize them. That's gonna take too long. There. Oh, out. What was I looking for? Hopefully I found it. And come on, guys, cooperate here. What else is under here? Ooh, some mints. I could use some. Pretty good. I've been looking for that. There's money in here? What have I been missing out on? Who was having a fiesta under my bed? Where did you even come from? A drone? Whose drone is this? And why is it attacking me? Where did this even come from? So I hope you had a fun time cleaning with me and seeing why girls take a long time and why it really isn't that clean when we're done. Sometimes it's not that clean for me. I just stuff everything everywhere, like in the video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!